Jai Hind children, welcome to my YouTube channel SOS Study Point. Student, today I am here with you with a very new topic for class 11th and 12th poster design. It means drafting poster. This is also for 4 marks. It is carry 4 marks in your examination, in your paper. So today I am here with you this topic. So I will tell you today how to draft a poster and what is the rules and regulations to keep remember while just making these types of poster. So let us start, student. So you can see this picture, this poster. These are very different types of picture. So these are the poster only, and you can see how it is drafted in a very beautiful manner with a very beautiful slogan. So this is the main rule slogan. What is drafting poster? Actually, we should know what is drafting poster. A poster means to create awareness about current social problems and issues. Posters are very useful to make an announcement or appeal, or for issuing a notice to advertise a product or to extend an advertisement invitations for an event. So you can see it means we know we always just draft a poster to create awareness about current social problem and issues. Now, posters uses. What is the use of posters? These points are given here. You can understand. Frequent tool of advertiser. It means particularly of events, musicians, films, etc. Propagandist, protesters, and other groups try to communicate a message. Just like if you have any protest against someone, then you have seen basically nowadays if a person want to just protest in front of others, then he will carry a poster with some slogan, some messages. And posters are designed to be both eye-catching and informative. Posters should be eye-catching and informative, both it should be. Now, use the following posters and to identify the purpose for which they have been designed. Just try to identify. Yes, first one is drive safety. Second is for college. This is of lovely university. Yes, this is also a poster. You can see here some messages, and also it is with a slogan, proud to be an Indian. Next one is also it is a poster. You can see how it is decorated, how it is just drafting with a slogan, with a very beautiful color, with a very beautiful font. So your poster should be very attractive, very messageful. Blood donation campaign. This is also a poster of Donald Trump. Now, types of poster. Student, there are not only one type of poster, there are a lot of types of poster. First one is social awareness. Second one is functions, events, occasion. Events, occasion, function. It means if you just make a plan for these event, then you can just make a poster related with that events. Educational or professional. Every professional or educationalist just drafting a poster to advertise for advertising of their own institution. Commercial purpose. Political. Films. Film is a very good example. Next point is why posters. Poster Why poster is this? What is the reason? Posters can be used to. First is this question is arise in your mind, can arise in your mind. Why poster? Why we should just use the poster? Poster can be used to promote an event, create awareness, promote a product, service, organization, promote an attitude, sentiment such as patriotism. So you can see here there are a lot of posters you have seen in your life to which can promote the patriotism in your heart, in your mind. Next, motivational, instructional purpose. Last one is to reproduce famous artwork. These are the point. That is why the poster should be here. Features of poster. First one is convey more information in a small canvas. Second one is eye-catching. So your poster should be eye-catching. Must capture the reader's attention and make them to read it. Means your poster should be very attractive and eye-catching that can be capture the reader's attention and make them to read it. Precise. It means every reader can understand at a glance to see that picture. Precise. It will not be very detailed. It will be in a very short manner. Have both textual and graphic component. Your poster should have these two, both quality, textual and graphic. Both content should be there. So you know, student, this is also 4 marks, but format is for 1 marks, content is for 1.5, and expression is for 1.5. As like before my before my videos, as I posted here, format is for 1 marks. You know why it is for 4 marks. Content 1.5 marks. Expression, it means grammatical error, slogan, like this, on which you can get 1.5 marks. Now, main features of a poster. Layout. You know what should be in a layout? Apt caption denoting the theme, topic, event. Next point, logo, emblem, symbols, pictures, diagrams, sketches, match a stick figure. And the next is textual material, relevant, point, do's and don't. Issuing authority, to be put within a box. And the next is content. What should be in the content? The theme or subject of the poster, description or details associated with the theme, essential details like time, venue, date in case of event. And the last one is message of appeal, awareness, invitation. In which manner? Short and sweet, telegraphic language, static figure. And the next one is expression. The overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Appropriate and accurate language. Creativity in terms of design and content. Different font types, size, etc. You can draft your poster in different fonts, in a different size of font. Ensure that your poster should have. What should you have in your poster? Balance, emphasis, unity, appeal. Appeal is very important, and the color. More about posters. Letters of different sizes or shape. Lettering for posters should be simple, legible, appropriate and attractive. Next one, should not be confusing or difficult to read. And the last one is proportionate spacing. It means have a just proportionally space between a line. And the last, posters and advertisement. Both have a same quality but a minor difference. First, according to the first point, Advertisement is a much more general term. It covers everything from personals in newspaper through advertising in magazines to commercial on television. It includes poster also. While a poster is a particular kind of advertisement carrying a message and generally stuck up somewhere the passers by can see it. So these are the main difference between these. So it advertisement can be published in a newspaper, can be on television, but it will poster will be very decorative, very messaging. It will be stuck the passerby with a having a glance, Advertising advertisements highlight only the good qualities of the things, and the sole purpose is to attract people to buy it. This is the quality of advertisement. While tell us about the being or concept or idea, whatever it is, both good and bad aspect of it are presented in the poster, and it is usually for spreading awareness, not for selling anything. So you can see here this picture have a slogan, design, and a lot of things. This one also, she makes the world bright but still struggle to see light. See the girl child. This is a poster with a slogan, you can see here. This one also you can see here. This is interesting. So you can see a slogan on the advertisement, on a poster, but not in a advertisement. This is also a slogan. So student, I have these two questions for your home assignment. So just read it and just just draft a poster at home, and be aware with this corona pandemic situation. Stay home, stay safe. So on the basis of this video, if you have any doubt, then you can comment me in my comment section box. And please, one thing more, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So if you like this video, so please like and subscribe my channel to get upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.